how to format a logging. Now I will show you how to log into a file. Configure the logging system to output the message to a file. So here we have the logging. Okay, so I will just comment this, and right in here I'm going to have something else. Okay, logging.basicconfig, and here I'm going to have another parameter that is called file name. And here I can add let's go with simple thing. I will add just an example.log and use a command to separate this and add the label. The label is again going to be logging.debug. Okay, and after that we have this usage here. Okay, so now when I save it and I clean the terminal to run it again, and when I hit enter, you see that we have added something here that is example.log. You see in the example.log we have something here, debug root. This is a message, debug message. This is just something that we had printed in our terminal, okay, in one of these videos. But now we are, instead of printing that here, we are writing that into the file. So like this, the log files are created. Okay, but right now you see we don't have the time here. Okay, we just have name of that, okay, level of debug, and then we have the message, but we don't have the timestamp, and also okay, we don't have the timestamp. So if I uncomment this, and here if I add that thing as well, like file name, it is equal to, what was that? So here I will just add an example2.log, and this time I just comment this and save it, run it again. Let's see, we have example2.log. When I open that, you see that now we have the time, we have the level, we have the message here. So isn't that perfect? So let's run it again. Now when I run it again, it is not overwriting. Okay, you see that it is added into the new line. That means it is appending. Okay, it's not something that remove this and add it instead of that. So if I run it multiple times, you see that we are having this in new line each time. So you see in 730, 740, and 740, so you see the second is changing. Now if I run it again, now I will be having this in another time. Now I know that I can understand that this program has been executed, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, and the first time it was in this time, and second one in this time, and in the third one this time, and fourth in this time, and just like this. Okay, when you handle your program, when you handle your application in a way that it log everything, it is better. Okay, if something happens, something bad happened to your application, to your system, it will be logged. Okay, so it is better to go check the logging system, go logging file, and you will find out. Okay, but sometimes there are times that hackers or genius person, they will do some bad thing with the system, and then they come and remove the log files too. Okay, but most of the time these logging are very important, very useful. Okay, so here you learn how to log text into a file. Okay, you see we have example.log, example2.log.